Namaste to all the divine souls. In today's world of airbrushed outer look of perfection and looking flawless, we have become paralyzed in our progress by living in a world or an unrealistic world of fantasy to look perfect and to be perfect. So to be real or realistic and by embracing our life's journey for this inner progress in a day-to-day basis, what do we need? We need consistency. We need consistency to build up our inner progress. To be real or realistic by embracing our life's journey with all its imperfections on a day-to-day basis, we should not be losing our sight of inner progress. And that is by building consistency or having consistency in our life. So focus on consistency, not perfection. Consistency helps us to achieve our inner progress in a very doable way, which is less stressful. Consistency also helps us to learn from our mistakes. Consistency helps us or supports us when we derail in life. But consistency will help us to bounce back and move forward and come back on track. Consistency helps us to have a steady progress in life. Consistency helps us to create a momentum of steady progress so that we remain motivated and sustain ourselves. Consistency helps us to rewire our brains to build confidence, willpower, patience. Consistency makes you knowledgeable. Let me give you a simple example. When we are traveling or on the same road day in and day out, what happens? We become aware about the potholes and the bumps, and then we are careful in life. We learn from all these bumps and potholes in our life by being consistent. See, by being consistent, you become knowledgeable or you gain more knowledge. Now, what causes lack of consistency? The cause of lack of consistency is we usually look at the outcome. That outcome gives a very positive feeling, like when I'm looking at a perfect picture, I see this is where I have to be or this is what I have to achieve. So it gives me a figure of being 100% or being perfect. Lack of consistency is because of we tend to look at the outcome. We do not look at the process. Why we do not look at the process? We do not look at the process because there is struggle. And the struggle is all about starting from 0%. So we don't want to have the struggle. We want to have that perfect 100% in place. That's why we lack consistency in our lives. Ultimately, consistency helps us to celebrate our small wins. And I can personally vouch for that. Not only me, but in this environment in the campus of the Yoga Institute, there are so many students who come and share about their celebrating their small wins of life. That is by being consistent, being aware. I think we all know the example of the soft water and its continuous falling on the hard rock. This is all about consistency. Consistency is important for long term. Choosing consistency over perfection is an act of self-love. So there's a very wonderful story on consistency. There were parent birds who were living on the shore of an ocean, and the mother parent had laid eggs and was hatching the eggs. But it so happened that when both the parents were not around, the ocean came and swallowed the eggs. And when the parents came back, they saw that the eggs were missing. So both the parents were very dejected and they knew the ocean had swallowed away their eggs. So what did they do? What they did was they started filling up from their beaks. They started filling up the ocean waters and flying and throwing away the water outside. And they kept doing this consistently. But what happened was everybody started laughing on them, saying, do you think you can empty an ocean like that just by filling up water from your beaks? You know what the parents said? Said, we will consistently do this till we achieve our goal. And then when they spoke with this determination, even the ocean got worried and it spat back the eggs back to the parents. So this is what consistency is all about. So it is said that what we do repeatedly is what we become. Namaste, thank you, and God bless.